You figured out which vitamins and minerals you need to take by searching how to diagnose your own vitamin and mineral deficiencies. You're Googling the names of supplements in your medicine cabinet because you can't remember what they're for and why you bought them. You've been taking supplements for weight loss for more than a decade. You take dietary supplements only on certain occasions, when you're trying to reduce the effects of a hangover or liver damage. Your use of low-quality colloidal silver has turned you purple.